Good day to you, my beautiful friends. I'm back to do another Dutch pour using the Interference Colors by Bling It. This time it's going to be a phthalo, blue, and violet Dutch pour. My two opaque colors that I am using are made by Holbein, Phthalo Turquoise in the blue shade and Luminous Violet. I have this brand linked in my Amazon shop. They're very good quality paints, and I absolutely love them. And along with that, I'm using all of the Interference colors: red, blue, violet, green, gold by Colourarte. Same ones that I used yesterday, except yesterday I did blues and greens and gold. Today I added in violet. I already have my white on the canvas. I'm going to link the description, the recipe down in the description, so that it will be there for you to read instead of me saying it, because I noticed that a lot of times people will skip through my videos and then ask me, what was this mixed with, when I clearly said it. So, recipe in the description from now on. Unless I'm teaching something new. I've already taught this 8 million times, so we're good to go. If you didn't see yesterday's video, my giveaway video, please watch that. And make sure you comment, subscribe, and like to be entered into the drawing for the Big Blooms kit from Colourarte. 12 primary element colors. And a 32-ounce bottle of the enamel, which is awesome. Okay, so here we go. I am going to do what I did yesterday, which was what, Tammy? I am going to put down my phthalo blue first. I'm going to sandwich the colors, the iridescent colors, in between the two opaque colors. And I want to make sure I have enough on here to be able to blow the pattern upwards and downwards. So that's why I'm putting on so much. And I also have some gold here by Pebeo that I'm adding in. So now this here is the Interference blue. If I want to get some violet tones, a different shade of violet, we can put down the Interference violet next to the blue. That'll mix together. Maybe actually we will do that. And you'll get some really pretty shades of deep purple. Or you should. I absolutely love these powders. Love them. So that's the violet. And you can't really see them until they're on top of a darker color. That's the thing about Interference colors. You can see them on white very minimally, but they work the best on a darker color, especially black. And I am using black for my cell activator. So that was the violet and the blue. Now this is the green. So you can see I'm placing this down strategically so that when I blow it out, I'm going to get all different colors from that blue that I first put down. So where I'm putting this green now, I'll get some, hopefully some teal-like green with when you shift the painting, some Interference green showing. So now this is Interference gold. I'm just going to put that right next to the green and blue. And then this is red, which I'm going to put right by the violet. Okay. Then I'm going to put down, some gold. Just like so. Maybe a little bit more. And then I'm going to put the violet on. I have a cold again, so please excuse me. My nose is all stuffed up and I'm stumbling my words again. When you have an autoimmune disease like rheumatoid arthritis, your immune system is just horrible. So you catch everything and you have to be careful because it turns into pneumonia. Okay. There's that. And now I'm going to put my black down. And I want to put down enough to make sure that I have enough to blow it that way and down. So I'm going to go right over that violet. Okay, just like so. I'm going to torch quick and then Demon Dryer is coming out. Okay, here we go. You know the drill, up and down, and then the airbrush. No, not strong enough. Woo-hoo! Look at that baby. Yowzer. All right. Just wiping the underneath so that the drips don't keep pulling the design over the side. And then I'm going to use my airbrush to kind of shape it. I was having a little bit of a hard time moving the colors because the paint is so thick, as you saw, but it gets there eventually. Cannot wait to show you the center of this. Oh my goodness. Wowee. All right. Oh my God. It is just gorgeous. Sweet baby Jesus in the manger sucking his thumb. Let me tell you. I have to fix this little whoop-de-doo here. Wow. Wowee. Yeah, I'm just going to leave that alone now. Now I'm done. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to take some white and just slowly cover over this little mess I made. That simple. Oh my God. Can't believe I just did that. Okay. I had a little string of white paint fly in there. Oh, wow. This is gorgeous, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me take you down, shut off the lights so you can see the interferences. First, I will show you this way. If you are interested in any of the paintings that I make, just email me artbytammy@yahoo.com. Don't leave a comment below, please, because I can't get to my comments right away. And I would love to offer these to the first person that asks. So it's just gorgeous. All right, lights off. All right, so you're going to see it more when I come backwards over the painting, but we'll go the front way first. Forward, I should say. It is absolutely stunning. Okay, so now watch. I'm going to tilt the light a little bit. And now you'll see them more. go up this way. You see the sparkle. So anyway, guys, I want to thank you for watching. I hope you're all having a great day. If you got a painting from me from the auction, I am working on them as fast as I can. Please be patient. I have 28 paintings to finish resining and package and ship out. So please be patient. All the links you need are below. Amazon, social media links, my Facebook group, United We Pour with Tammy and Lisa. Amazon Colourarte if you want to order the interference or primary element colors. I have a coupon code. KS Resin is the resin I use to coat all of my paintings. I have a coupon code for that. They offer free shipping, great quality resin, and it's like $70 a gallon. You cannot beat that. It's just amazing. And yes, you can get cheaper resin than that, but you're getting cheaper quality. So I want to thank you guys for watching, and until next time, happy pouring.